Blue Monster products are brought to you by the Millrose Company, the recognized leader in professional-grade brushes, abrasives, and thread sealant. Here's another great Blue Monster product, ZERO VOC industrial-grade thread sealant. With an eco-friendly theme in mind, ZERO offers the following benefits: zero VOC content, PFOA-free, lead, cadmium, and copper-free, no materials on the red list, compliant with LEED and eligible for LEED credits. Blue Monster ZERO is suitable for use in systems carrying acid dilutes, chlorinated water, potable water, gasoline, glycol, heating oils, liquid petroleum gases, natural gas, and steam lines. Temperature ranges, gases and liquids, -50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Pressure ranges, gases up to 3,000 psi and liquids up to 10,000 psi. Endorsed by the following third-party certifications: NSF, UL, Canada and the United States, FBC system compatibility, and UPC. Now it's time for the demo. Start by inspecting all male and female threads to ensure no damage and that the threads are free of any oil and debris. We want to start with clean threads. And that would include actually the fitting as well, female threads as well. So once we've inspected the threads, we've ensured that everything's clean, of course no damage. A lot of times that can happen in shipping. We're going to go ahead and take the top off the Blue Monster thread sealant. And with each and every one of our bottles, we actually incorporate a brush directly into it. So we're going to get a liberal amount of sealant directly on top of the brush itself. And we're going to start, and we're really going to work this into the threads. Again, the goal when we're doing this is to fill the thread valleys. I'm going to stop for a second here and show you what a thread valley is. You can see where my thread point is nested. That is a thread valley. A male thread point will sit in that thread valley. So imagine this, that male thread point needs to be encapsulated with either a sealant or a tape, our Blue Monster thread tape. In this case, we're demoing the ZERO, but we want to fill these thread valleys. So I'm going to continue to brush and work, and again, we can easily see here from a visual standpoint when we get this thread completely full of compound. And again, I'm going to work and I'm going to brush this in, and getting a good coating directly onto these threads. So again, we want to ensure that we've got compound down into the thread valleys. And again, it takes a little bit, especially on these larger diameter. This is actually 1.25 inches. And I'm continuing to work and brush. And you can see I'm getting the thread valleys filled full of compound. While I'm doing this, I'm going to add some additional information. You never want to put thread compound into onto a female thread, because when we're assembling and we're putting these together, which we're going to do here in a second, what ends up happening is we're going to end up pushing thread compound directly into the fitting itself. So we're near completion here. We can take a quick look here just to make sure we've got complete coverage. We've got thread valleys totally filled. Now we're ready to assemble. And you'll notice here that we're going to end up pushing a little bit of compound directly out here as we're tightening in. And we would just simply use a Blue Monster hand towel to clean and wipe that free. Please visit our website at www.bluemonsterproducts.com to see every product that bears the Blue Monster brand. Thank you.